I created a super modern calculator app with just this single line of prompt. So right here, create a modern design calculator app with all the features just in a single HTML code. This is the prompt. The AI was thinking about 11 seconds. And right here, we can understand what thoughts this AI has. So right here, I should also consider keyboard support. Listening for key down events allows users to input numbers and operators using their keyboard. Right here we have the CSS thinking and also the JavaScript. Then down here we have this HTML code. We have all the features right down here and how to use this app. So click buttons or use keyboards, use scientific functions, parentheses, toggle history panel with the scroll icon, use memory functions for storing values, press escape to all, use backspace to delete last digit. So right here we can click on one HTML and then we can calculate. So the keyboard works. We can clear with escape and then let's try if we calculate by use mouse as well. So this one works perfectly. By this one, this looks good as well. So I think this works pretty good. And here was exactly how you can create any app. So I also created games like Tetris, Snake with this single line of prompt. If you want to see this video, click right here to see the comparison between ChatGPT and Deepseek creating the game Tetris.